Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog doesn't sound right. I'm from the latest Muppet 50th anniversary special and he just doesn't sound right. I think Matt Vogel is doing the best with what he had, but Steve Whitmire is the true successor to Jim Henson. And when I found out he was fired, I thought it was because of inappropriate behaviour, but it was just because he didn't like the direction the Muppets going in. So I think firing it wasn't the best idea because he truly was Kermit. He was Kermit for 27 years, so odds are he's gonna insight on the character in Disney as a blessing, and I agree with his statement about the 2015 Muppet Show, that they shouldn't have made Muppets into a mockumentary that was a bit more adult, because that's not the true spirit of the Muppets. We'll say this, for the latest Muppet special, it did capture the magic of original show. It just Kermit's voice seemed a bit off, and I think that was because it wasn't Steve Whitmire. The only one that could do it better than Steve Whitmire was Jim Henson himself. So I think they shouldn't have fired Steve Whitmire anyway. Bye everyone.